Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to add the Downloads folder back to your dock on Mac if you've removed it by mistake. Let's get started. First, open Finder. You should see the Downloads folder in the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see it there, don't worry. Simply click on Finder in the top menu bar, choose Preferences, and under the Sidebar tab, make sure the Downloads folder is checked. This will add it back to your sidebar. Once you see your Downloads folder in the Finder sidebar, all you need to do is drag and drop it back to the right side of your dock, next to the trash. That's it. Your Downloads folder is now back on your dock, ready for easy access. Now, you can customize how your Downloads folder appears. Right-click on it in the dock, and you'll see a few options. You can sort your downloads by date added so the most recent files appear at the top, making them easier to find. You can also choose how you want the folder to open, like Fan View or Grid View. Personally, I prefer Fan View, but feel free to choose the one that works best for you. And that's how you restore and customize the Downloads folder on your dock. Now every time you download something, it will be easy to find and open right from your dock. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.